Let me show you how to create these viral AI restoration videos. They're blowing up right now, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Open ChatGPT and head over to the GPT store. Search for the GPT called Floor Transformation. Click Start Chat, then hit the Start button. The GPT will ask what kind of video you want to make. Let's go with option 1. We want to create a kitchen video. It will give you 4 image prompts for Nano Banana Pro and 3 video prompts for Veo 3. This part has to be done step by step. Copy the first image prompt from the GPT. Now go to OpenArt. You can find the link directly in the GPT chat. In OpenArt, go to the Image tab. Click on Create Image. Select the Nano Banana Pro model. Paste it in the prompt. Choose the aspect ratio 9:16 for short-form video. Set the resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want. Click Create. This gives you the first frame of your video. Now, we're going to edit that first frame using the second prompt. Upload the first image as an Omni reference, then copy and paste the second prompt from the GPT. Click Create again. You'll now get an image showing people working in the same kitchen. Use that new image as your new Omni reference. Copy the third prompt from the GPT. Paste it in just like before and hit Create. Now you'll get a third image showing the floor being installed. Take that third image and upload it as the new Omni reference. Use the final prompt from the GPT. Click Create. You'll get your final image showing the completed kitchen. Go to the Video tab in OpenArt. Click Image to Video. Choose the Veo 3 model. It lets you upload a start frame and an end frame. Upload the first frame and the second frame. Copy the first video prompt from the GPT and paste it in. Set your resolution to 720p. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Set the duration to 6 seconds. Click Create to generate your first video clip. Now repeat the process. Start frame is the one with people working. End frame is the one with a floor installed. Use the second video prompt from the GPT. Click Create again to generate your second video. Then do the same for the third transition. Start frame is floor installed. End frame is the final result. Use the last video prompt from the GPT. Now you've got 3 transition videos. Take your final image, the completed kitchen, and use it to create one last short video. Type in a simple prompt like zoom in camera. Click Create. You'll get a nice drone style shot. That gives you a total of 5 video clips. Download all your video clips and import them into CapCut. Place them one after the other. Now you've got a time-lapse video of a kitchen being built, with the floor being installed step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.